Phew, that was long news support. Guess I'll call it a night then. Events off, lights off. Good, good, good. Oh, time to go home. Oh no, it's raining. Ah, ah, I'm wet, I'm wet. Oh gosh, I really need an umbrella. Whew, I got one. Right now, I am not wet. All I have is the skateboards. It won't really help, but I got stinky. Hmm, maybe I will go shopping. Yes, that is true. I do need some supplies from the grocery store, so why don't I get some supplies? Alright, the grocery store should be here. Or, you know what, I'll just get ice cream and then go to the grocery store. Here we go. Oh my god, what happened? Ah! It's flooding! Oh my god, what am I gonna do? I just came to the ice cream shop. Oh no, I'm gonna have to get my pants wet and everything. Oh god, I need safety quick. Best place is probably the school. Where is the school? Ah, I'm getting wet, I'm getting wet. Ah, come on, the school's right there. Whew, school's right there. I'll be okay. My pants are getting wet, but hopefully everyone else is there. Oh no, I'm just a news supporter, and I think I'm supposed to report. Um, oh no. What am I gonna do? I didn't reach my house. My mom is gonna be worried. Oh no. Looks like the whole first floor is flooded. At least the second floor has food. What about the lighting room? Can I see anything? No, nobody's here. Hmm. Guess I'm all alone. But the bad part is there's nowhere to sleep. I might just have to sleep on these bean bags. And I don't think that would be a good thing. Is there any is there any beds on the first floor? I guess there isn't. So I'm just gonna have to go to the lighting room and going to here. At least maybe this is a good place to sleep. I don't know. It is a big space. I don't know. I have this here. Where does this lead to? Ah, I'm so wet. There's not even a bath in here. You know what? I'm just gonna go to the bathroom. Oh god, it's flooding everywhere. At least I should be grateful the second floor is not flooded. The restroom, is there a shower in here? No, there's only toilets. That's not gonna help. Alright, so I'm just gonna have to sleep here. I can't go here. It's flooded. Hmm. I bet my mom's gonna call anytime soon. Me so mad. What's this? I got a call. Oh, it's my mom. Hi, Mom. I know, Mom, you're worried sick. I'm in the Brookhaven school. It's like flooded in the first story. At least, I'm at the second story. No, Mom, I'm okay. At least I'm safe here. No, Mom, please stay at home. I don't want to lose you. Okay? There, I said it. Yeah, there's not really a place to sleep. Like, the second story only has a restroom, some cafeteria, lighting room, and like this music area and the hangout area, and arts, plus the stage. So, I really don't know where to sleep. But yeah, okay, probably tomorrow it should be good. Yeah. I was gonna get some groceries, but then it started flooding. And I was at the ice cream shop and then it flooded. Yeah, Mom. I'm okay. Yeah. I'm just gonna get some coffee from the cafeteria. Um I got it and then I'm just gonna sit and you know, I don't know. Probably just gonna have to report on the news. Alright. Bye, Mom. Also, Mom, I have some food from the cafeteria. And I also bought some food. So I'll be okay. Yeah, Mom. Okay, thanks. Told you she'll be worried. I really don't want her to go out of the house. Oh, look. This other dude is here. He's with this horse. Hi. Oh, no. What happened? Wait. I'm okay. The first floor is all good. I slept through the night. Let me call my mom. Ring, ring. Mom, guess what? The first, the first one to school is all okay and it stopped flooding. I'm coming, Mom. Here, let me show you. Look. All right, Mom. I'm coming home. But before I do that, I should probably get groceries. Don't you think, Mom? Okay, bye. Oh, it stopped flooding. So grateful. Now I must go to the grocery store and get some supplies for my mother and I. I know I haven't told anyone, but my mother and I, we look rich, but we're actually poor. Yes, we have this rich house, but we used to be rich until our dad kind of, well, our dad left us and he didn't give us any money. So we had to become poor. But my dad did lend us this house. Yeah. And me and my mom, we moved, so I'm pretty new to this Brookhaven city. We we used to live in somewhere called Springville City, and yeah, and guess what? I just found the grocery store. I want to ask my mom if I'm gonna dye my hair. So my hair, I want it to be brown, but it's like I don't know. It's just well, it's not the color of brown I want. So my mom and I want to eat healthy. And yes, sometimes we'll ask for desserts. So I might just ask for Doritos. My mom loves red apples. I guess we can have a banana. And that's a snack for me. I love Hershey's. Oh no, I got Reese's, not the one I want. But Reese's is good. Um, Me and my mom don't eat the sandwich because it doesn't look like it's edible. My mom gives me so much milk, so I will take that and some water, of course. It's healthy, will do. And I don't think I'll get Coke. I think that's all. Guess I'm gonna have to pay. Um, Here I go. There you go. And I paid. That's complicated, but yeah. Alright. Now time to go home.